At our Unitor chemical facility, every batch is made for one purpose: helping your crew clean safer, faster, and more predictable. The right chemistry removes heavy contamination quickly, reduces manual scraping and downtime, and keeps critical equipment running at its designed efficiency. That's why we develop our own formulations, carefully tested and continuously improved. We start with carefully selected raw materials and full traceability. Each batch is tested for performance and long-term stability, ensuring high cleaning efficiency from first drop to last, even after tough voyages. All under certified systems, combining quality with environmental responsibility. Every formulation is developed with crew safety and material compatibility in mind, reducing rework, protecting coatings, and minimizing unnecessary exposure. Automated blending, filling, and packaging ensure consistent quality in every pail, while our global network helps you get the right cleaning chemicals where and when you need them. The difference? Effortless, efficient cleaning with predictable results you can trust. Choose Wilhelmsen Ship's Service and turn cleaning from a maintenance headache into a competitive advantage for your vessels.